Class 8 exercise 14.3 was going on. We have to take up question number 4 now. Okay, so divide as directed. So the first part of it is 5 multiplied with 2x plus 1 multiplied with 3x plus 5 to be divided by 2x plus 1. Okay, so by whatever we divide, that has to come in denominator. Okay, so we'll write this whole expression upon what we had to divide it with. So you see these two factors are exactly the same, 2x plus 1 here, 2x plus 1 here, so they can be cancelled. Alright, so the leftover would be the quotient, that is 5 into 3x plus y. Plus 5, sorry. Okay, so I don't think so these questions are difficult at all. You can easily see them. Likewise in the next one, see 26xy, x plus y, x plus 5, y minus 4. These are the factors in numerator, we can say, or the one that has to be divided, and by what you have to divide, you have to put that in denominator, and then you have to see whatever cancelling is possible, like we do in simple numbers. Likewise in algebraic expression also, whatever common factors can be cancelled, we will, like 13 2s is 26. Okay, then with variable, you see x here would cancel out. Then y, no y was there, so that y will continue. Then you had a y minus 4 here, y minus 4 in denominator as well, so even that gets cancelled. Okay, so जो cancel हो रहा है उसे cancel करके left over numerical value 2 was left, then a y was left, and x plus 5 was left. So that becomes your quotient. Now see the third part. So you will put 52 p q r, p plus q, q plus r, r plus p in numerator, and जिससे divide करना था, that is 104 p q, q plus r will be and r plus p will be put in denominator. So again we see r plus p will cancel that out. Q plus r would also cancel out. P and q here also cancels out. From the numerical values, 52 would cancel out for 52 twos are is giving us 104. So 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. Okay, so 52 twos are, you can cancel it stepwise also, not necessary by 2 that way, whichever way it strikes you. Okay, so numerical value 2 remains in denominator, and numerator में r बच गया था and 1 p plus q was left. So our answer would be r p plus q upon 2. Next you can see the fourth part is here. Factors in numerator would be 20, y plus 4, and y square plus 5y plus 3. In denominator will come 5y plus 4. So your y plus 4, y plus 4, and 5 4s are 20 is getting cancelled. So you'll only be left with 4 into this expression. Okay, so very simple these questions are. At times you might require to factorize this. Maybe in the next set of questions we'll come across that. अभी यहाँ पे सब cancel हो गया था. अगर नहीं होता, यहाँ आपका linear expression होता, यहाँ quadratic, you would factorize this, maybe something would get cancelled. Okay, but in this case the need was not there, because whatever was in denominator, everything got cancelled. Okay, see the next one. Likewise in numerator you had a x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 to be divided by x plus 1. So x and x plus 1, again the whole denominator is getting cancelled, so leftover factors, that is x plus 2 into x plus 3, becomes your answer. Now see children, last question, fifth one. Factorize the expression and divide them as directed. Okay, so like in the previous one we were seeing, we were already getting factors and they were straight away being cancelled. And what I said just now, that we might come across expression जिसे हमें पहले factorize करना पड़ेगा and then इसके factors कहीं cancel होंगे. Okay, so there are many parts here. I have done few for you and rest you will try, and then only you will come to know whether you've understood or not. Okay, so similar kind of one example I've done, and you will try the remaining. Okay, so I've taken second part of fifth one, which is you had m square minus 14m minus 32 to be divided by m plus 2. तो अभी डायरेक्टली आप देखो कुछ भी कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है, बट ये क्वाड्रेटिक है तो इसके लीनियर फैक्टर्स बन सकते हैं. वी नो हाउ टू डू दैट. ओके, फैक्टराइजिंग वीव स्टडीड. सो वी विल फैक्टराइज दिस न्यूमरेटर विच इज m square minus 14 minus 32 by splitting the middle term. So our product was minus 32 to give us minus 14. Factors of minus 32 are minus 16 and plus 2, because that will give you minus 14. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear with how do we do sum and product or splitting the middle term method. So this minus 14 we'll write as minus 16 plus 2, and now we'll group together from the first two. Your m comes common and you're left with m minus 16 here, and from the other two, 2 comes common. So again, if 2 has gone, 1 m remains here, and 2 16s is 32. So again, m minus 16 here, m minus 16 here. We've ought to get the same factor which we have obtained, which we will take common. So m minus 16 comes out, then here m remained, and here plus 2 remained. So this m plus 2 was same as what we had in denominator. So again, that would cancel it out. Okay, so this is dividing by factorization. So our quotient is m minus 16. Look at the fourth one now. So you had a 4xy there, and z square plus 6z minus 16 divided to be divided by 2y upon x plus 8. So again, हमारा y तो कैंसिल हो जा रहा है 2 and 4, बट ये फैक्टर कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है, तो उसके लिए हम ये क्वाड्रेटिक वाले को फैक्टराइज करेंगे, राइट? ओके, सो इफ यू आर फैक्टराइजिंग दैट, देन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 16 to give you plus 6. So 8 2s is 16, and plus 8 minus 2 gives you plus 6. So we'll split this middle term. Okay, so z square 6z will be written as 8z minus 2z. All right, so if we are doing that, then further from the first two we are getting z common, and z plus 8 remaining. Z remains from here, 8 from here. Then we are taking minus 2 common. So from minus 2, then out here minus 2 gone, z remains. From here minus and 2 gone, 8 2s is 16, so 8 remains. Again we've got z plus 8 can be taken common. So here z remains, here minus 2 remains. Okay, so your z plus 8 also gets cancelled, and of course here, and that I had told you earlier, 2 2s and y would get cancelled. So numerator में एक z 2z बचा था, and अब ये cancel होके z minus 2 भी रह जाएगा. So that is your quotient. Okay, now fifth one had a 5pq, p square minus q square to be divided by 2p, p plus q. So writing this in numerator, and that whole after division sign comes in denominator. So we see a p and p can be cancelled, that is all. Then this can be factorized. Okay, this is your identity. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So p square minus q square will become p plus q, p minus q. So p plus q भी cancel हो जा रहा है. So we are left with 5/2 number. q बचा था and p minus q. Right? Okay, beta, now let's see the last part there. So in the last part we had 39y cube 50 y square minus 98 to be divided by 26y square 5y plus 7. Okay, so यहाँ पे y cube and y square, 2 y's आपके cancel हो जा रहे हैं, एक y रह जाएगा. Okay, it's up to you how you want to expand it and show, or whichever way. Then both of them are see multiples of 13. So 13 2s are 26 and 13 3s are. So 3/2 रह जा रहा है, right? Then okay, now you just had a 5y plus 7 here, and there is so much here which can be see 50 and 98. We have 2 as a common factor. We can take that 2 out. So this becomes 25 2s are 50 and 49 2s are 98. अभी ये whole square form आ गई है. See again. This is 5 square. So 5y whole square. This is 7's square. तो इसमें फिर सेम आइडेंटिटी लग गई. a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. तो आप इसको लिखोगे as 5y plus 7 and 5y minus 7. So you had a 5y plus 7 in denominator. So this would also get cancelled. Okay. So what remains is a single. We were left with 3/2. That 2 of denominator would cancel out this 2 that we have got common. So only 3 remains in numerator. Okay. One of the y remains in numerator. And one factor left over is 5y minus 7. So that's your answer.